What is the perfect height of a mounted TV? Well, as you can see here, I'm relaxing on my sofa right here, and my viewing angle, my viewing angle is straight from my eyes right to the TV. So what is the perfect height? If you ask me, it is the height of your eye while sitting down and to this TV right here. So besides that, you should also consider your height of the TV by getting a tilt mount, right? A tilt mount enables you to actually pull this up like this or down like this so that you have a better viewing angle. So remember, when you are deciding on your TV mount height, do consider the height of where you are viewing it from, right? See you guys later.